since you and me teamed up, I've had nothing but hard luck.
That goes for me, too, Buster. Double in spades.
From now on, you go your way, and I go my way.
That suits me fine.
Just a minute. Half of this grub belongs to me. We divide it equal, see? One for you, one for me. Two for you, 1, 2 for me. 3 for you, 1, 2, 3 for me. 4 for you, 1, 2, 3, 4 for me. 5 for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me. There you are. Everything divided 50-50. Woodpecker, I'm gonna chastise you.
Hold it. Look what we got here. A desert museum.
A desert museum? So what?
Oh, and look at this. A desert pack rat.
So what, so what?
And here's a friendly little bobcat. See? And over here to your left, my good friends, we have a... What's this? Museum will pay $25 for one Campophyllus principalis.
A Campophyllus what is it?
I don't know, chum. Let's look it up.
AXTVE. Oh, here we are. A Campophyllus principalis is a woodpecker.
Oh, boy. We get $25 for capturing a woodpecker? Hey, I'm a woodpecker.
Yeah.
Now, friends, don't get any ideas. Hey, friend, what are you doing to me? Let me out of here, chum! Help!
I got your woodpecker, sir. I'm here to collect the $25. Let me have it. That bird's a dead duck.